how to add menu tabs on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can add menu tabs on WordPress. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add menu tabs to your WordPress website, currently if I just open up my website, you can see the menu is basically blank. I've not added anything other than headings. But if I want to add some menus, what I will do is I'll just come back to my WordPress dashboard. I'll go to the appearance tab, and then here I'll just select the option called menus. So once I go to the menus tab, over here it says me to add menu items, right? So first of all, you can choose what you want to add, whether you want to add a page to your menu, post, a custom link, or categories. So let's say I actually want to create categories. I'll just click on the categories option, and then I'll over here select all or on categorize. I'll just select add to menu, and then I'll go ahead and create a category, and then just like that I'll be able to add it. Or else what I will do is I'll just select pages over here, and then I'll just select sample page, and then I'll just select add to menu. Once I do that, you'll be able to see that I've added this. Now you can click on this specific menu, and then you can actually add move up or one. You can actually resize it depending upon where you want the menu to appear like that. If you want it to be under the home tab, you have to make sure to enter under the home. And now if you want the other to be inside of this drop down menu as well, you have to make sure to enter inside it, but I'm just going to leave it this much. And then I'm just going to select the option called create menu. Now once I basically create the menu, you can see I've already created the menu, right? So now if I come back to my home page and then I refresh it, you'll basically be able to see those new menus once you've actually made it as your appearance. And this is basically how you can add menu tabs. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.